Nightingale, 1820-1910. English. Founder of modern nursing, heroine of the Crimean War, and reformer of the British Army. She was born in Florence, Italy on May 12, 1820, and was raised in England by her wealthy parents. On February 7, 1837, she heard by her account the voice of God, telling her that she had a mission in life. It took her some years of searching to identify that mission. This was the first of 4 occasions where Florence Nightingale said she heard the voice of God. She chose a different path than social life and marriage expected of her parents, but instead, she chose to work in nursing. She went to Kaiserswerth to experience a German training program for girls who would serve as nurses. She worked briefly for Sisters of Mercy Hospital near Paris. When the Crimean War broke out in the year 1854, she volunteered to go to Turkey and took a large group of women as nurses. 38 women, including 18 Anglican and Roman Catholic sisters, took care for the wounded soldiers. She focused more on administration than on actual nursing. But she continued to visit the wards and to send letters back home from injured and healed soldiers. Her rule that she'll be the only woman in the wards at night earned her a title. By this, she was called the Lady with the Lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Florence Nightingale.
The light has been ignited. Let this flame be a constant reminder to all of you about the unending service that you have just committed to your parents and your devotion to the nursing profession. My dear candidates, today you will receive caps, pins, lamps, and lighted candles, the symbol of the nursing profession. Always bear in mind that the nursing profession will require you to do great service to the sick and the well for the good of humanity. Let's proceed with the capping, pinning, and candlelighting ceremony. May we call on Mr. Francis T. Tahanlangit, Dean, College of Nursing, World City Colleges, Quezon City Campus, to be assisted by Josana Y. Nepomuceno, Nursing Director, World City Medical Center, Maria Cristina J. Stioco, Program Coordinator, WCC Quezon City Campus, Euphemia Strelita P. Dumon, Clinical Instructor, Zenaida M. Felipe, Clinical Instructor, Glenda T. Aguto, Training Preceptor, Sherwin P. Villegas, Clinical Instructor.
Janine Jewel Roberto, Cabalquinto Sarah Jane Suarez, Meñeque Gladys Amor Cunanan,